Hello and welcome to Qapita. We will guide you through how employee can access their holdings and submit exercise requests in the platform. Qapita's employee portal provides plan participants with access to their holdings and essential information. This includes crucial company announcements, the value of awards, the vesting status of their grants, and the ability to monitor the company's stock price and valuation growth over time. Employees can view the exact percentage of the company they own as part of their cap table and engage in detail with their equity awards within their Qapita account. Employees have the ability to view previously accepted awards and accept new grants issued through click-to-accept or e-signature workflows, once approved by the company. Importantly, employees can transact on available awards directly through the system. Any available options held can be exercised by the employee as part of the integrated exercise workflow. Employees can provide the necessary information as required by the company. All fields presented as part of the workflows can be configured as optional or mandatory to complete. On the exercise request screen, employees can specify which units they wish to exercise. They have the option to exercise all options or specify a certain number to be exercised from a specific lot. After the desired quantity for exercise has been selected, the system automatically prepares tax calculations based on the relevant tax settings and displays the summary of reportable income and associated tax to be either reported or withheld by payroll. Once all calculations have been checked by the employee, they can submit their request. However, before doing so, they must comply with the relevant terms and conditions set by the company. This may include a prompt to acknowledge the company's insider or securities trading policy. After the exercise request has been submitted, employees are asked to provide the relevant payment information. Depending on the available payment methods, this could be a wire transfer, ACH, or check. Employees can view the relevant payment instructions and then confirm that payment has been completed by them. Once the payment details have been captured and the exercise request has been finalized, all details will be recorded in the system. Employees will be able to track it in real time to understand the status of the payment as the company approves the exercise, confirms receipt of funds, and issues the stock to settle the exercise.